Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss the most important topic of 11th accountancy syllabus, and that is ledger. Ledger actually it is the detailed information about the various accounts involved in the business transaction, either it is personal, nominal or real. For ledger our requirement is journal entries, and you can see here some journal entries are before you, because from journal entries we are supposed to post them into different accounts, and it is called ledger posting. So we are preparing different accounts, and through different accounts we are giving various information like how much cash we have in our hand, how much purchase we have done during the month. So many important information are provided by the ledger. So how the entries are recorded in the ledger, for this we are discussing here. First we have to see the presence. The different accounts are involved in the journal entries. So we are supposed to prepare cash account, purchase account, machinery account and capital account. So different accounts which are involved in the journal entries are prepared as a ledger, and we have to take 3 steps when we are posting journal entries into ledger. First one is presence. First entry we have to see, we are preparing cash account because cash is involved here, cash account, and we have to see the presence, which account we are preparing, cash account, and in journal entry it is present, yes. Next question, debit or credit? In the journal entries it is debit. So the posting of this transaction in the cash account will be posted in the debit side, and what we have to write, same amount and opposite account. Same amount here means the amount which is written before cash account. So we have to write opposite. Opposite is what is credited. So cash account is debit, opposite of this credited is capital account. We are not supposed to write the amount of 12 lakh in cash. We have to write the amount which is written in front of cash, 4 lakh. So we will write here same amount and opposite account. Now see the next transaction. We are preparing cash account. We have to see either it is present or not. No, it is not present in the journal entry. Only purchase and Messrs Royal Traders. Next journal entry, bank account debit to cash. Yes, cash is present. Where? Debit or credit? It is credit. So we have to post this entry in the ledger in the credit side. April 9 by bank account, opposite account, same amount, opposite account. Now next journal entry, cash account debit to sales. Cash is present here, yes, it is present and it is debit. So once again we have to move toward the debit side of cash account, and what we have to write, same amount and opposite account. So what we will write, to sales account. So all the transactions related to sales is over. Now we will write the total 4,30,000. It will be shifted towards the credit side, because credit side is a lesser side, and we have to subtract 4,30,000 minus 1 lakh equals to 3,30,000. So we will got the balance 3,30,000. So ledger, that is cash account, is providing information that at the end of month we have 3,30,000 cash in our hand. Next ledger, we are preparing purchase account. Once again we have to see the journal entries where the purchase is written in the journal entries. In first journal entry we will find purchase account is debit. So what we have to do, in the purchase account we will write debit side, what we will write, same amount and opposite account. So we have written over here to capital account, and the amount is 2 lakh. Next journal entry, once again in journal entry purchase is there, it is debited. So we will record in the debit side, opposite account, to Messrs Royal Traders 40,000. Now we will write the total 2,40,000. It will be shifted towards credit side. Nothing is here in the credit side, so its credit balance is 0. So we will deduct 240 minus 0, we will get 2,40,000. So we will get the balance last day of the month by balance CD, and it will be shifted to the other side on the first day of next month to balance BD. And this is the format, debit side and credit side. And once again you will note down that if the particular ledger we are preparing, we have to find in the journal entry it is debit or credit. If it is debited, then we have to record in the debit side. If it is credited, we have to record in the credit side. Thank you.